Is your living space stuck in a decor rut, leaving you yearning for a home that feels as exciting as the latest sci-fi flick? Well, fret no more, tech adventurers. Today we're showcasing 5 of the coolest smart home gadgets that'll transform your humble abode. Let's jump right in. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Let's delve deeper into the revolutionary security system that is the Ring Virtual Security Guard with Amazon Astro. Forget static cameras. Astro is a mobile robot that actively patrols your home, adding a whole new dimension to home security. You're on vacation, and the Ring alarm sensor detects a break-in. Astro doesn't just send you an alert, it springs into action, using its advanced navigation to approach the source of the disturbance. With the Virtual Security Guard subscription, a highly trained professional remotely accesses Astro's live view. They can then steer Astro to get a closer look, assess the situation, and even deter intruders with pre-recorded messages or a siren. It's like having a security guard on wheels, ready to respond in real time. It can detect the sound of breaking glass or a smoke CO alarm, triggering an investigation and sending alerts even if the culprit avoids the camera. Craving fresh, clean air at home but tired of bulky, noisy air purifiers? Look no further than the Dyson Smart Purifier, a marvel of modern technology that goes beyond just cleaning the air. It's a personalized clean air oasis for your home. Dyson's machines are equipped with advanced sensors that constantly monitor your air quality. They can detect pollutants like pollen, dust, mold spores, and even VOCs, volatile organic compounds, emitted by household items. Once the culprit is identified, the Dyson Smart Purifier takes action. Its HEPA filter captures a whopping 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. That's smaller than most allergens and bacteria, ensuring they're trapped and removed from your breathing space. They've incorporated their innovative air multiplier technology. This technology uses powerful airflow to project purified air throughout the entire room, not just in a concentrated area. Do you ever find yourself yearning for the tranquility of a starry night sky? Look no further than the Poco Galaxy Star Projector, a device that transforms your bedroom into a celestial wonderland. This projector isn't your average nightlight, it's a home planetarium that bathes your space in a mesmerizing display of 153,748 stars. Imagine a breathtaking expanse shimmering across your ceiling, creating a realistic illusion of gazing up at the Milky Way. Expand your celestial horizons with different disk options featuring nebulae, constellations, or even custom designs. The slow, rotating starry sky has a mesmerizing effect that can lull you into a deeper, more restful sleep. Imagine drifting off beneath a canopy of twinkling stars, leaving your worries behind. Forget the frustrations of squinting through peepholes or missing important deliveries ever again. The Arlo video doorbell, now in its 2nd generation, brings a new era of unmatched clarity, security, and convenience to your front door. Say goodbye to limited viewpoints. The Arlo video doorbell boasts a wide 180 degrees field of view. This expansive view lets you see everything happening at your doorstep, from head to toe and package deliveries on the ground to any suspicious activity lurking at the edges. With two-way talk, you can converse with whoever's there directly through your smartphone. The Arlo video doorbell integrates seamlessly with the Arlo mobile app. This gives you complete control over your doorbell's features, allowing you to view live footage, answer calls, and adjust settings, all from your smartphone no matter where you are. Imagine a coffee table that seamlessly transforms to fit your every need. The Aling coffee table isn't just furniture. It's a multifunctional marvel that redefines how you utilize your living space. The Aling coffee table boasts a tool-free installation thanks to its clever snap-together design. You'll be enjoying your new coffee table in no time, with minimal effort. This table features a spacious internal storage compartment divided into 4+1 sections. Need a workspace for your laptop? The Aling coffee table has you covered. Its large, foldable tabletop features a lift-top mechanism. The Aling coffee table isn't just beautiful, it's built to endure. Scratch-resistant materials and waterproof construction ensure your table can handle everyday wear and tear, spills, and even the most enthusiastic board game nights. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the coolest smart home gadgets. Which one are you most excited to add to your living space? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.